Hi again. Well, this is the time of the pandemic lockdown, and sometimes in the toughest situation, okay, it also brings out the best in us, or you could say, in one of the worst situations, we also tend to get something great which actually changes our life. So, friends, I want to share, a priceless gift that I got during this lockdown, and trust me, it applies to anybody. So, if you choose to, take that gift, use it, it can transform you. It can transform your life. So, please do listen to the end. To give you a background, you know what? All my life, I've hardly done any physical exercises. I must have gone to the gym for around 6 months. When I was in my late 20s, and after that, that's it. And then I would have gone for some morning walks. Well, I had a major health challenge, which maybe made me feel that I don't want this physical exercise. Okay, it doesn't give me any motivation. So for that reason, I never did any physical exercise. So of course, I've been into emotional therapy. I've been using one of the most powerful technique on the planet, based on acupuncture, to keep my emotional body healthy. Due to which I've not had any major health issues till today. I had some issues, but all that got cured by using this emotional healing technique. Now, during the lockdown, what has happened is, due to lack of physical exercises, my neck became stiff. Okay, now again, since years of no physical exercise, my hip is also quite stiff. My knees are stiff, so my body isn't very agile. If something falls down, I find it very difficult to pick it up. Now, it is during this time that I started with a little bit of physical warm-up exercise. When I got an awareness that every time we move our body, every time we do physical exercise, it sets the positive emotions in motion. So that awareness was revealing for me. It's then that I decided to start with some kind of physical exercise. And going forward, this is the gift that I want to share. I discovered a very unique and rare yoga system which is 2500 years old. Well, it originated from Tibet, India, though it was introduced by the Western world. This unique yoga system is called the 5 Tibetan Rites, RITES. So it's a set of 5 exercises where you begin by doing 3 times each exercise for 1 week, and then with each week you increase by 2 till you reach 21. So right now, as I am recording this video, I am at 13 rounds of each exercise. And the day I started this exercise, and now, lot is different. My neck stiffness is gone. Okay, I had a lot of bloating issues. Okay, indigestion issue, that's gone. I feel very light in the body. Okay, I feel much more energetic, 10 times more energetic than what I felt before I started the 5 Tibetan rites. So this unique and rare yoga system is a combination of physical stretching of your body. Okay, it strengthens your emotional body. Okay, it tunes up and opens up the 7 chakras, the energy centers in the body. It also uses breathing technique. As all of you know, the breathing technique is a very powerful technique to release deeply suppressed negative emotions which come in the way of we being effective in life, we becoming healthy. So this 5 Tibetan rite uses all these approaches. So friends, do Google and search on YouTube the 5 Tibetan rites and give this to yourself during this lockdown. As all of you know, health is wealth, and this is truly one of the best gifts you can give yourself. So do check my description or in the comment for the links for the 5 Tibetan rites. There are a lot of links in YouTube and Google. So I just selected, one or two for your reference. So do let me know. So do start your Fight Tibetan rights. I would be happy to, hear your views, and do ask me for any support, in doing the Fight Tibetan rights. Although they are very simple, yeah, you may need some guidance, right? So whatever I gone through, I'll be happy to share with you. Thank you for listening.